Welcome all, greeting from Tamsons India. We have more than 40 years old leading manufacturer of temperature sensors, heaters and cables. And also we have world-class manufacturing unit based in India, Germany and Indonesia. We also offering temperature calibrators and industrial furnaces. Now today we are going to introduce our new product, Kelsis 650 AutoCal automatic temperature calibrator. In our Calcis models, we have wide variety of Calcis products from temperature range minus 196 to 3000 degrees centigrade. Few are in all our Calcis models, we are providing automatic calibration system. Few are mentioned here like Calcis minus 35 to 100 autocal with temperature range minus 35 to 200 degrees centigrade and resolution 0.01 degrees centigrade. Stability plus minus 0.05 degrees centigrade. Gases minus 8050 autocal, temperature range minus 80 to 50 degrees centigrade, resolution zero point 0.1 degree centigrade, stability plus minus 0.1 degree centigrade. And Celsius 650 autocal with temperature range 50 to 650 degrees centigrade and resolution 0.1 degree centigrade with stability plus minus 0.1 degree centigrade. Celsius 1200 autocal with temperature range 250 to 1200 degree centigrade, resolution 0.1 degree centigrade with stability plus minus 0.5 degree centigrade. In our all automatic calibration systems, we are providing data recording facility with test generation and report facility. Okay, so introducing our Calcis 650 AutoCal features. It has a 5-inch color, 5-inch LCD display for easy to read. It has a fast and user-friendly navigation. We are also providing 4-channel calibration for thermocouple and RTD inputs. It has the internal CJC compensation. We are providing Ethernet communication for communicate for interface with PC and laptops, and we are optionally provided USB connector for data saving purposes. This is visual image of our 4-pin connector. In this, first is we can use for master sensor, and another 3 pins we are used for test sensor. When we can operate our automatic temperature calibrator, the screen will appear on our LCD display. Now the home screen will appear on our LCD display. In this, we can select the many options like sensor configuration, run auto calibration, run manual calibration, data transfer, and the status bar shows the furnace running process, means ongoing process of our furnace. When we select the sensor configuration, we can see that there are the 4 channels: master, test 1, test 2, and test 3. There are, we can easily put our sensor values like serial number, type, thermocouple, RTD, whatever it is, channel type, thermocouple K type, N type, J type, and PT100 RTD, configuration, CJC, INT, and its unit digit like centigrade, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Okay, let's talk about let's talk about its working. AutoCAD 650 have 2 operating modes, manual mode and auto mode. In a manual mode, we can define the type of thermocouple and RTD for and define its unit type like centigrade, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. When we can put the value, put this our set temperature, then we can wait for furnace stabilization. After then, when the furnace is stabilized, then take out our master and test sensor readings. In the auto mode, this is whole process is same like manual mode, but the difference is that there are the multiple number of calibration points. There are the 5 maximum calibration points we can choose, and we can see that the when the first calibration point will complete, then it will automatically come to second calibration point. As we can see that this is our manual mode. Manual mode window. When we operate our manual mode, we can see that there is a window open in our LCD display. We can easily put and set our set temperature and touch on the start process. The temperature and the process will automatically start. We can see that there are the 4 channels: master, test 1, test 2, and test 3. And we can see the temperature, ongoing temperature process is there with their respective millivolts. When we can operate our furnace in auto mode, then the window will appear on our LCD display. We can easily put our with our choice values like 250, 450, 500, and 600 degrees centigrade, whatever it is. And then we can see that when we set our temperature, then select on the start process. When the process is started, we can see when the first temperature point is completed, then it will come to the next calibration point. Then it will come to the another point. After the whole calibration will complete, the status bar will show completed. When we want to transfer our data, we have to come our home page and select the data transfer. We can connect our system with our PC with the Ethernet or LAN connection for interfacing our PC and laptop. We can easily connect with the Ethernet and the LAN connector. We can see that in our system and in our laptop, the software window will open. We can connect. We can touch on a connect button. Then it will connect with our calculator. Then we can see that the list of the files in front of us. We can select it, the number of files. Then we select the transfer files. When we select the transfer files, the whole files will save in the driver location in .xls format. This is manual mode .xls format. We can see in this image like serial number, set temperature, master temperature, test 1, deviation, test 2, and deviation, and so on. And in the auto mode, we can see that there are five maximum points like 100, 150, 250, 500, and 1000. And master temperature, test 1, test 2, and so on. In the our data saving option in a manual and auto mode, when we complete our auto mode and manual mode calibration, the report can be generated at the PC side based on predefined format. This our report format, as we can see that we can receive our report in this calibration format. Okay, this is all about our CalSys 650 AutoCal, and we can provide in all our CalSys models AutoCal systems. Thank you.